Hi, today I'll show you how to change date and time settings on Motorola Moto G5S. Let's unlock our device. Then let's open settings. Then let's scroll down and press date and time. Let's turn off automatic date and time and automatic time zone. So let's choose our date. Let's change time. We also can change time zone on Krasnoyarsk. We also can change our format from 24-hour to 12-hour. Okay, so if you want everything to go back, you can just press on automatic date and time and automatic time zone. But as you can see, automatic time zone doesn't work, so we need to do it manually. Let's change and let's choose Amsterdam. And as you can see, the time just changed back. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.